Hello and welcome to your Wednesday, December 16th day weather video outlook. Well, it sure has been a rough 36 hours here across Wyoming for travel, livestock, and outdoor conditions, and we still have some severely impacted travel conditions along south central and southern Wyoming. The I-80 corridor currently still closed from Laramie all the way west to Evanston due to severe blowing and drifting snow in the Arlington and Elk Mountain area. Also still bad blowing, drifting snow between Cheyenne and Laramie, but eastbound at least is open at this time. We're going to be looking at a little bit of additional light snow tonight into early Thursday for much of the state with ongoing breezy to windy conditions. Let's take a look here now. It's your forecast for Wyoming. So just what did it look like on I-80 here today? Well, here's a shot from Arlington at 12:15. You can see whiteout conditions, severe blowing and drifting snow thanks to west and northwest winds, and this is exactly why WYDOT isn't able to open up I-80. They're fighting severe drifting and whiteout conditions. Here's I-80 at Buford. Still bad conditions, but improvement over the Arlington area, blowing and drifting snow. I-80 is open eastbound from Laramie. I-25, much better. Still got to be careful. Slick and icy conditions and some blowing snow, but nothing like on I-80. And as you work your way up I-25, Casper, some slick and icy roadways, but blowing snow not too big of a concern. I-90 at the Montana-Wyoming border, slick and icy conditions, and you can start to see we're seeing light snow up around the northern border through the rest of this afternoon. There's going to be some light snow up in the northern and northeastern, northwestern sections of the state. 1 to 3 inches for most of our mountains, a trace to an inch or so around the far northern border areas. A little bit of snow in the Snowies and Sierra Madres as well. There's those nasty west winds, 25 to 50, continuing along I-80 in the Arlington Elk Mountain area. Otherwise, wind speeds 15 to 30 to 20 to 40 miles an hour through this afternoon. Tonight, the snow shifts south, moves out of the far north, northwest into central, southern, and southeastern Wyoming. Accumulation small, traced to maybe 2 inches in the plains, but enough for slick and icy roads, 1 to 3 to 1 to 4 up in the mountains. Winds still very strong and gusty along I-80 in the Arlington Elk Mountain area, 25 to 50, and that's pretty much going to make it impossible potentially for I-80 to open. Tomorrow, a little bit of some light snow in southern and southeastern Wyoming. New accumulation is very small. It'll be very early in the morning. Winds, though, still an issue, especially along I-80 in central Wyoming. West winds 25 to 45 miles an hour. Temperatures today and Thursday, well, highs today and tomorrow, teens and 20s. Nighttime lows, generally single digits. Areas out in the far western basins, though, below zero. Pinedale -5 for your Friday and Saturday. Temperatures starting to warm up. Improving weather conditions, folks. We're going to be looking at mostly dry weather as well. Highs back towards some seasonal values, 30s to 40s. Lows, teens and 20s. Still going to be some windy areas, though, along I-80, and that'll cause some additional problems. Weather impacts today, some additional light snow and snow showers tonight on through Thursday morning. Very cold temps, strong and gusty winds. Still some blowing, drifting snow, poor travel and livestock conditions. Treacherous travel, blowing snow, icy roads, poor visibility. I-80, Cheyenne to Rawlins. Mostly dry, though, trending warmer Friday and this weekend. Blowing snow, though, still an issue on portions of I-25 Friday and Saturday. Thanks for tuning in. If you have to be out and about, travel safely.